Today we will be installing a new solution for the 2019 and up Ford Transit Connect, the 95-5861. Start by unclipping the trim panel on the top of the radio panel. Next, unclip the passenger airbag at the bottom of the radio panel. Afterwards, remove the two T20 Torx screws behind the passenger airbag light. Remove two 7mm bolts under the top trim panel on top of the radio panel. After the radio panel is off, remove the 5 T20 Torx screws securing the radio chassis to the subdash. Then remove the chassis. Afterwards, remove the radio chassis bracket from the subdash. Visit metraonline.com or axusinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio, video, and steering wheel control interface options. Connect your aftermarket radio, then reassemble the dash. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.